Hey, Divine One, I'm so glad this message found you today. I want to talk about the part of the healing journey that very few people talk about. And it's that really gross, uncomfortable period when you have survived all of the shit. You have survived and you have moved, and even your healing process felt like survival. Like, if I don't heal, I will not make it another day. And you've done it. You've done it all, but then you've reached this point in your life where it's almost like a calm, right? And your nervous system is used to the calm before the storm, but there's no storm coming this time. And the more and more you go in this rest period, in this void, and your nervous system is waiting and it doesn't come, it almost becomes hyperinflated, because the gap between going from survival to thriving, from being a person who survives life to being a person who lives life fully and thrives in all of their gifts, in all of their power, in all of the things their destiny has been calling for, it is that period inside the cocoon. Everybody thinks you get out of the cocoon and it's this big butterfly moment, and that's what happens on your healing journey, but it doesn't. You do the work and you heal, and that's when you disintegrate in the cocoon. All of the bones of the caterpillar, all of the essence, it all dissolves into this goo. And from that goo, the new life is formed and the butterfly emerges, and you are in the goo right now. And all you have to do is breathe and nurture. But a lot of people, because they've been on this journey for so long, they're so burnt out that they just want to rest. And you can rest and be calm and know that nothing's coming to attack you. But in order to step into the new, it's time now. It's time to move. It's time to breathe life back into yourself and start taking one tiny baby step every day into becoming the new version of you. The old you is in the past, and you're in this place of no you that feels very uncomfortable, and the new you is ready to be here, but you've got to start walking towards them. You've got to start taking those steps towards them, whether it's letting go of one last habit or starting some new routine, creating more structure and discipline that's going to allow you to embody the person you're trying to become. You've done the grieving, you've done the letting go, and no storm has to come. You get to be in this space. But in order to create, we have to move with the universe, and that's what's happening right now. It's time to move, even when it feels scary, even when you're not sure what steps to take. Step back from your body and your mind, go into that higher level of consciousness and let that move through you, propelling you forward into the person you're becoming. I know you can do this. I have so much faith in you. I'm rooting for you every step of the way. All you have to do now is walk.